Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making a super moisturizing eye cream. Now this eye cream that I'm making, you can use this on your face, your lips, your hands, your neck and chest area, or your body, anywhere that you want, but I'm using this particularly for my eye area. I do carry this little container with me. It has a top. I fill this up with the mixture and I'll apply it to even my lips if it's a little chilly out, or because any type of dry air dries out my skin almost immediately, so I always need to have a moisturizer on my skin. So the ingredients that I have here, they can easily be replaced with another ingredient if you don't have these ingredients that I have here. So again, this is a super moisturizing skin protectant, and it's loaded with vitamin E, omega fatty acids, linoleic acid, and all kinds of healthy moisturizers for your skin, no chemicals. So the first ingredient that I'm using is Unrefined Shea Butter. And what I did was I just took my measuring spoon here, 1 tablespoon, and I scooped it out. And this is the shea butter here, and it's pretty soft. So it's not like cocoa butter where you need like to cut it off of your bar. This is pretty easy to scoop off. And then I used about a teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon, so I used 2 scoops of this of mango butter. So again, 100% pure mango butter, and that's on this side here. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to microwave it for just up to 10 seconds. No more than that, because I don't like to heat it up too much. And depending on the strength of your microwave, also just watch it and see that it's not melting too fast or bubbling or boiling or anything like that. So I just want it to be softened, that's it. So I just took this out of the microwave and it's pretty much softened and easy to whip. That's all I really need is for it to be easy to blend. I don't want it to be melted really. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Now this is D-alpha tocopherol. This is a natural vitamin E. It's not synthetic and has no fillers or anything. It's 14,000 IUs. It's very good for your skin, super moisturizing, very much anti-aging. So I suggest that you get something like this, and you can tell by the consistency how thick it is that it is quality vitamin E oil. And this I got on Amazon. This was around $11, but I think that it's worth it because actually I'm just going to pour it right in here because it comes out pretty slow, and I'll just average it. But you want about a tablespoon in there. It's very much worth using this on your skin. I mean, I prefer to use this than to pay for some perfumed eye cream that's loaded with chemicals. Just be sure to keep this out of the light. Keep this, if you do buy this bottle, keep this in your medicine cabinet away from bright lights, because it pretty much destroys the integrity of the oil. So I have that in there. My third ingredient that I will be using is 1 tablespoon of argan oil. So I'm using argan oil just because I had been using jojoba oil, but for some reason it started to irritate around my eye area, and I like to use this very close to my eyes, just because I want to prevent lines and wrinkles, so that's the area I'm using this in. So I don't want any irritation or anything like that. And for some reason, jojoba oil lately, it could just be this particular batch, I don't know, but it was causing some irritation. So I'm not going to be using that, but you can definitely use this or sweet almond oil or grapeseed oil, any kind of oil, or even more vitamin E oil. But so I'm going to add my tablespoon of argan oil, and I got this on QVC. It's pretty pricey, but it's definitely worth it, I believe, because it's so moisturizing. And the next ingredient is this Josie Maran Argan Infinity Intensive Creamy Oil. This again is not necessary, but what I feel this does is this is a batch that I made about an hour ago, and as you can see, the consistency is really creamy still, and I believe it is because I'm using this balm here. If you see the way it comes out, it's just really, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of this. It's not exactly oily, it's very gooey, and it keeps your, I can't think of another word, but it keeps your butters very pliable and easy to use, easy to blend and take out of your container. You don't have to melt it if you use this. But again, if you don't want to purchase this, which I only paid $28 for this, and it really lasts a long time. And I also got a free little argan oil with this from QVC, but if you don't want to use that, you can try Burt's Bees multi-purpose ointment. It's all natural. Just whatever you do, don't use Vaseline, because it has petroleum in it, and that seeps into your skin, which is terrible for your skin. So this is all the ingredients here, and what I'm going to do now is just blend it with my mixer. It's very liquidy, and that's the way I want it, because if it's too hard, then when you apply it to your skin or your eye area, it's actually pulling on your eye area, and which can cause wrinkles. So you want to prevent that. You want something very smooth and easy to apply that sinks right into your skin. So I think it's ready, but usually I'll just continue whipping it until all of the lumps are out of it and